Tactical equipment and gear are mostly used by the military or by law enforcement to help them to perform their duties more efficiently. Will always be handy and will protect you during cases of civil unrest or during natural calamity. Keep watching and I will show you the 5 best tactical gears and equipment and personal defense equipment, and we will start up with the tactical backpack at number 5. Number 5. Tactical backpack. I bet you are asking how? A tactical backpack is tactical gear. First things first, tactical backpacks are designed for war and difficult situations. These bags are durable, sturdy, convenient, and camouflage with the area you are in. This means you can use the bags to carry your stuff securely and efficiently for very long periods of time while at war or during difficult moments. Tactical backpacks come in different types. It is important to note that there are no set or defined definitions or standards set in place that qualifies a backpack to be tactical. There are, however, some specific points that should always be considered before claiming that a bag is a tactical bag. These points are to be considered for a bag to be a tactical gear and personal defense equipment. It should be made of good material. This means the material is durable, water-resistant, and has high tensile strength. The most commonly used material is ballistic nylon. The woven fabric achieves most of the conditions set for tactical backpacks and has the ability to withstand harsh battlefield usage. The second factor to consider is modularity. Tactical backpacks' functionality is the inclusion of a modular lightweight load-carrying equipment, grid. This allows additional modules to be added onto existing carry systems, and they help increase the bag's versatility. MOL cannot be found on non-tactical bags, such as school backpacks, as they are not inspired by tactical gear. The third factor is the intended purpose of the backpack. Tactical backpacks have many pieces of gear that initially were developed for the Army, but civilians have access to them nowadays. The Tactical AMP-24 Backpack, SOG Profit Backpack, PDW SHADO Pack. These are just a few of the tactical bags that you may get in the market being sold. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please click on the subscribe button below. We would also appreciate it if you would like to share or even comment below on the comment section. Stay with us for more information on tactical gears and personal protective equipment. Coming up next is the tactical clothing that includes pants and jackets at number 4. Number 4. Tactical jackets and pants. If you meet people from the Army or outdoor adventurers, one thing they will tell you is that the conditions out there are very harsh. It gets so cold or so hot. At times it is even raining and you have nowhere to cover your head. Tactical jackets and pants are a blessing to military personnel. The jackets and pants are made of high-quality material that are able to overcome abrasion and bad weather at the fields. The most preferred material nowadays is high-tech synthetic fabrics, rather than the traditional cotton tactical pants and jackets that are extremely heavy and cannot wick moisture better than the high-tech synthetic fabrics. Tactical jackets and pants should have the right pocket sizes. The pockets should be able to fit common items, such as pocket and tactical knives or spare magazines. The pockets are made of good material that can hold and support the contents in the pockets. It should also give you easy access to your firearm and gear. The tactical jackets and pants should have the right color. The color should satisfy the users and also be able to camouflage, depending on the field conditions. On ice, the jackets and pants should be white with black markings, while in the forest it should camouflage with the trees and the vegetation. It should also be durable. The clothing should have the durability to withstand the environment that the user will be in. You really do not want a jacket that gets ripped off immediately cold gets in, which leaves you stranded and susceptible to hypothermia. At number 3, we have the tactical folding knife. I sure hope you have subscribed to our channel and clicked on the notification button for more of this video. Number 3. Tactical folding knife. This is something that can be deployed quickly and obtain high precision. A tactical knife is a survivor tool. A tactical knife must have sharp cutting edges and should be able to perform all kind of standard cutting chores that it is put through. There are a wide range of tactical knives on the market. They differ differently, and one of the major differences is on the blade. There are those that are serrated and the plain blades. Plain blades are better suited for a push cut. A push cut is pushing the blade through the material or object you are cutting. Serrated edged knives are suited when performing a slice cut. A slice cut is achieved through cutting by pulling the blade towards yourself. Other types include the folding tactical and fixed blade tactical knives. There is the Tanto and modified Tanto, the clip point, drop point, modified clip point, and the modified drop point blades. All these knives serve many functions and purposes. You should also consider features such as aggressive grip material, speedy one-handed opening, and how the blade fits on your hands. Some of the knives you should consider are the Cold Steel Safemaker, Kershaw Emerson CQC 7, Boker Plus Striker Automatic, Magnum Black Scorpion, or the Cold Steel Recon 1. Coming up next at number 2 is the first Tactical Medium TRITAC Flashlight. Number 4. Tactical Medium TRITAC Flashlight. While in the field and missions, during the night it is difficult to see. It is also difficult to see in dark places, such as caves. The flashlight will be of great help towards increasing light for the soldiers to see in such conditions. The medium TRITAC flashlight has an ergonomic design that is impressive as it falls on the palm of your hand perfectly. It is powered by 2 Duracell Ultra CR 123 batteries and controlled by the first Tactical Intelligence button. The flashlight has a feature that allows a half-second delay that you can use to adjust the light mode of the flashlight. It is 5 inches long with a body diameter of up to 0.9 inches. Its bezel diameter is 1.1 inches. The light output for the flashlight is 444 lumens for the highest mode and 154 lumens for the medium and 18 lumens for the low mode. It has an impressive run time that is 3.75 hours, while at the highest mode and 7.25 at the medium mode and 63 hours for the low output. That's how great this flashlight is. It is made of high-quality materials and the machining is solid. It is also made of an aerospace aluminum flashlight that has a ribbed texture on the sides to provide outstanding control and grip when using the light whether bare hand or gloved. It uses CR 123 batteries that enable it to last for such long periods. The flashlight is even suitable to work with during rainy conditions. If dropped in mud, you only need to wipe off the mud and you are good to go. Just a quick reminder to subscribe to our channel if you have not. Also, click the notification button to keep you alert for our new videos. Coming up, we have our personal protective equipment at the first position. Number 1. Personal protective equipments. Ever had the saying safety first? Personal protective equipment includes an eye pro, ear pro, gloves and elbow, and knee pads. The eye pro is to protect your eyes at the range or in the field or at battle while firing guns and weapons. It is also used to protect the eyes from strong light that might cause temporary blindness. Ear pro are used to protect the soldiers or you from loud noises, especially during firing. These are also worn in ranges to reduce the effect of the deafening sounds of gunshots that are being fired. Gloves are used in the field to prevent blisters while sliding down ropes, also used when holding hot substances in the field. They also help in getting many tasks done, such as throwing hand grenades and explosives. Generally, the hand gloves protect your hands from scratches, burns, pricking, and heat. Elbow pads and knee pads usually come in pairs because normally you have 2 arms and legs. They protect your elbows and your knees. It provides a soft landing for your knee when you quickly kneel to shoot and also reduce a significant amount of heat from reaching your knee if you are kneeling on a hot surface. They prevent you from injuries on the knees and elbows while on duty. Sometimes the injury may not be felt at the time, but later on you might end up feeling the pain in later days or years. We have talked about the 5 tactical gears and personal protective equipment you should have. Which was your favorite of all? Which one do you have already? Are you planning to buy one of the items? Talk to us in the comment section below. Hit that subscribe button right now and also hit on the notification button to get a heads up always once we update our videos. Also, do not forget to like and share our videos. Well, bye and hope to see you soon.